This summer, the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is set to make waves in the foldable phone market, possibly solidifying its position as one of the best foldable devices yet. With rumors swirling, the question remains, will the Z Fold 7 rise to the occasion or fall short in the face of fierce competition? Following tradition, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will launch alongside the compact Galaxy Z Flip 7. Early reports suggest the new Z Fold could take inspiration from last year's Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition. This edition, which built upon the Galaxy Z Fold 6, offered notable improvements such as a larger display, enhanced camera, and a lighter, thinner design. Samsung is expected to deliver even more with upgraded internals, innovative software features, and cutting-edge AI functionalities. However, the competition is tougher than ever. Rivals like the OnePlus Open, Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold, and the rumored OnePlus Open 2 are delivering outstanding foldable experiences at lower price points. To secure the top spot, Samsung's latest offering needs to innovate beyond incremental updates. Eyes are on the rumor mill to uncover any new advantages Samsung might deploy to outshine its competitors. What to expect from Galaxy Z Fold 7? Here's a quick rundown of the most exciting rumored upgrades. Bigger and better displays, a rumored 8-inch foldable screen paired with a 6.5-inch cover display. Camera excellence, a 200MP main camera could finally debut on Samsung's flagship foldable. Under-display camera enhancements, improved quality for a seamless visual experience. Sleek design, the thinnest Z Fold yet, at just 4.5mm when unfolded. Powerful performance, powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite and running One UI 8 out of the box. Durability upgrades, enhanced foldable screen strength with reduced crease visibility. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 launch timeline and price predictions. Based on past releases, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 could be unveiled at an early July Galaxy Unpacked event, with sales starting later in July or August. While pricing remains unconfirmed, it's likely to match the Galaxy Z Fold SIX's $1,899 starting price for the 256GB model. Consumers will be hoping Samsung avoids another price hike. Rumors indicate limited production quantities for the Z Fold 7, which could impact availability. Fans eager to get their hands on Samsung's latest innovation might need to act quickly once it hits the shelves.